Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tea garden. First, let's plan. Choose a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Good drainage is key, so ensure your soil is slightly acidic, ideally with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Selecting the right tea plant like Camellia sinensis is crucial for success. Consider varieties that thrive in your local climate for the best results. This careful planning sets the foundation for a flourishing tea garden. Now let's get those tea plants in the ground. When planting, space your tea bushes about 3 to 5 feet apart. This gives them ample room to grow and spread. After planting, consistent watering is essential. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, especially when the plants are young and establishing their root systems. To nourish your growing garden, apply a balanced organic fertilizer once every 2 to 3 months during the active growing season. These steps ensure a strong start for your tea plants. Pruning is vital for healthy tea plants and easier harvesting. Annually, prune your bushes to maintain a manageable height, typically around 3 to 4 feet. This encourages new growth and makes picking much simpler. When it's time to harvest, look for the tender, bright green top 2 leaves and a bud. This is the prime material for delicious tea. Harvesting can usually begin when your plants are 3 to 5 years old, often in the spring and summer months, yielding fresh leaves. After harvesting, it's time to transform those fresh leaves into your own tea. First, wither the leaves for 12 to 18 hours until they become pliable. Next, roll them by hand or machine to break the cell walls, releasing enzymes. For black tea, ferment the leaves for 1 to 3 hours. For green tea, skip this step. Finally, dry the leaves in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Now, you can enjoy your very own homemade tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.